Guys, Crypto Jim here. I'm going to show you an update on this strategy that we set up yesterday. Well, we tweaked it yesterday. It's been running 2.5 days. 2 days and 18 hours to be precise. I said I would bring a 24-hour update, but I'm having to do it after 18 hours because I have to go out later today. So I had a look and I thought, right, well, okay, it's not doing too bad now. Since we tweaked it yesterday, getting some more profits in. Look at the trade history here. This is the swing trading strategy that we tweaked yesterday. And there's a lot more profits starting to come in there, look. That was our first profit from yesterday's video. Do you remember that? But it took a whole day, a couple of days to get that. Alright? So I didn't like it because it was too slow. And we changed it from a 4-hour time frame to the 30-minute time frame. Alright, that's the candles. So, we're looking at 0.33% in 18 hours. Alright, so let's have a look. Let's put in $1,000, find out how much 0.33% would bring us in a year if you ran your bot with that. 365 days, reinvest 100% compounded. And let's see how much that would bring us. So your profit would be $2,328. So your $1,000 would turn into $3,328.33 if you were making 0.33% a day. However, the best strategy I have found brings me an average of 1.05% on average per day. And let's see the difference. 1,000 turns into 3,328 with 0.33%. Let's have a look. Oh, there you go. You can turn 1,000 into 45,262 if you make an average profit of 1.05% per day with the secret sauce settings. And you can get the secret sauce settings by signing up for Cryptohopper through my link below this video. Alright, and you also, if you get in time, I don't know if it's expired or not, Jim Cryptohopper, all caps, get a discount. I think it's around 20%. Alright, so you get free access to the secret sauce settings, no extra cost to you, my help on Skype, and you maybe even get a discount as well. The link is below this video, guys. It's the first link, top link in the description. Now I want to have a look at this website to calculate $1,000 with 1.05% daily over 1 year with daily compounding profits, and that's obviously going to be about the same as what I just showed you. $45-ish thousand. Yeah, 45,264. You've got 45,262 there. It's about $2 difference. Alright, so what if you were adding $500 a month? You can make a massive increase. Yeah? What if you started from $5,000? $307,000 after a year by adding $500 a month. What about if you only have $500 to go? Maybe you don't have that, but let's have a look with 103,000. So you can turn $500 in 12 months into 103,000 if you get an average of 1.05% every day. You won't. You'll get, 2% one day and 3% another day, and then you get 0% for a couple of days, and then you'll get 4%, and then you'll get 5%, and then you'll get 0% for a week. That's how it goes. It's an average, guys, 1.05%. All right. If you don't add anything, what does $500 turn into in 1 year? We've got 103,000, 104,000 almost there. 22,632. Not too shabby from $500. That's compounding, guys. So 500, let's just double check that. $500 without adding anything. What was that? 22,632. Probably a couple of dollars difference. $22,132. Yep, slight difference there, look. Okay, but it's 22 grand. $500 to 22 grand. Awesome sauce. All right. What about $10,000? I've had referrals come to me and they say they've got $50,000, $60,000, $70,000. $452,000 over a year. You're getting up to like hundreds of dollars a day in profit, look. And, you know, and I've had days where I've made 100, 200, 300. I think my best ever day, not sure, I can't remember, it was a couple of years ago. It was $650-ish on one day. And that was quite a big chunk added to my funds. And that obviously gets compounded again and again and again. So can you see the power of this compounding stuff, guys? It's juicy stuff. And you need the secret sauce if you want to do that. All right. So 1.05 is the best that I've managed to find. And I'm always looking for improvements. So you'll also get access to any improvements as and when I find them. All right, guys. So I'll see you again in the secret sauce. Click on the link below. Like, comment, subscribe. Keep up to date with my journey thus far. I've got another bot running now with the secret sauce. I started it in January. It's already 202% up since the 10th of January. All right, and I started it with $800. There's well over $2,000 in there now. All right, so like, comment, subscribe, share this video on your social media if you want to be extra helpful, and don't forget to use the coupon code Jim Cryptohopper, all caps, to get a discount on your first plan. All right, guys. See you in the next video. Click that link. Bye bye, guys. Bring on Bertie Bot.